And now we actually want to introduce you guys to an individual that's based out in Cebu. And she actually, started using the products recently as well. Her background is a yoga teacher. She's been doing yoga for a very long time as well. And she's been using the products and literally been seeing such great results with using our skincare line. And of course, she'll share with you her testimonial with the with the ICD line. So let's go out to Cebu and welcome Mary to the call. Hello, Mary. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, thank you. Thank you, Steve. Hi, everyone. Thank you for welcoming me here and here, XS Philippines family. And okay, I'm good at teaching yoga, but this is something new to me. Um, Telling people, I always tell people, my students, something, a story about coming from my heart. So okay, how I get here and why is women important to me? So my background is I am into yoga where I think I started 2010 and I started teaching 2011 and now I think I'm on my 15th year or something and I believe so much about yoga that I don't need skincare or anything to put into my face. I am one of the person that it who is really hard to convince to when it comes to skincare. I would disagree to everyone selling me skincare products. With I would always say that yoga has always its yoga glow after. And now I'm turning 50 next month. And lately, just like a month or 2 months or 3 months ago, I noticed that my skin is getting more dry. And then asked myself, I did some research, what's going on? And then it says, Mr. Google would say, you're having hormonal changes or something. And then so I said to myself that it can't go on forever because if it's going to be like that, my skin become more dry and dry and dry, then my lines will become more visible because I have a very expressive face. So when I smile, lines come out. So anyway, um, I started using going to Derma and using buying on Shopee and Lazada, hoping it will work. And when every time I would try one product, it doesn't work. And it's not cheap. It's like you have to buy all set, right? Maybe three in one pack or five that cost like 2000 or more. And I'll just then ended up in my closet or in my cabinet and until it expires. So I said, how come nothing really fit or um, make my skin comfortable? So a friend of mine, a Korean friend of mine, has been actually living here in Cebu, and I bumped into him, and he said, "Oh, Mary, because I was also selling him our property, beach property, and this guy is an investor, and he said, "Oh, Mary, my friend from Korea is coming over and bringing Korean products. Really, I want you to sell all those products." I go, "Okay, let me try first." So again, and then a week out, he said, a week, 1 week, or 10 days from that moment that we met, and then I said, "Okay." So a week after, we bumped into each other again. I said, "Oh, Mr. Park, where are the products now?" Oh, right, I'm leaving for Manila today. Then okay, when you get back. So my brother and I, Arnold, were just talking and chatting in a shop, and then I think less than 30 minutes or 20 minutes after, Mia and Sumi came in. And then Mia said, "Oh, hi, Mia. Nice to see you again." And Mia said, "Oh, I'm here to meet with you." Oh, really? So that was it. That was the product that Sumi brought. Sumi brought just two products, actually, two or three. Yeah, I think I remember three. One is the oil mist, and the second one is cushion. So we talk and talk, and then I tried the oil mist, and then it smells really good. It smells like herbal or something lavender or something. So I was like, oh, this is so relaxing. And then after a few seconds, I saw some glow on my skin. I was like, wow, this is amazing. And I said, I can't believe this. So then she said, try the cushion. Then okay, I tried the cushion, and oh my god, I was glowing. I wasn't. I go, oh my god, what's going? So this is something magical. So then Sumi explained a little bit about it, and then it was a Saturday, and then I said, okay, on Monday I want to see you guys. I want to try everything you have. So then after my class at 12 noon, at 1 p.m. we went to Mia's house. And I brought my brother, and then so we had lunch, and then started doing the ritual. I don't know if we call that a ritual. So cleanse our face. The moment that powder, and then Sumi said, leave it for 5 minutes. Okay. And then it feels like, oh my God, my skin became tighter. I was like, oh, this is nice. And then when I washed my face, it was glowing. So wow, what kind of product this is? So, and then we started applying everything, and then after that, um, I went to my class, yoga class. And then all my students were like, wait, teach, you're glowing. Oh, really? Then I grabbed the mirror. I was like, really? Yeah, sure, I'm glowing. So what are you using now? Because I don't normally put makeup. I just put like, when you teach, you sweat, right? So, really? Oh, wow, this is probably the Riemann. So there you go. So that was the start that I was like, I'm really liking this product because my students, and it was like dark, huh? And then they really saw the glow. Then after that I started talking to my students. Then so that was Monday. The next day I invited 4 friends of mine. All of them brought products. It was like amazing because they right away um notice the effect of the product. Then I said to myself, wow, this is highly functional. So now Sumi set a meeting with my brother and Steve. The next day, so it went so well that our vibe, our energy was just like it's like the universe brought us together. Then Steve, that was that week, all right? So many things going on. And that week Steve said there's a convention a week after or a few days after in Macau. So that how much what do you say, convinced I was and my brother, we bought the ticket and flew to Macau because we
Yep.
want to learn more about the products. So there. And now because my I had this scare that my skin will become more and more and more dry because I love going to the beach and I'm turning 50 and I know that phase of life there will be some challenges when it comes to skin, health and everything. So I said to myself, I need to prioritize my skin now. This is the time that I need to and I have to. And that decision came in. And there, from then on, I never stopped using it, even if, okay, this is the funny thing, okay? Um, because I love wine and cheese. I'm vegetarian, by the way, since 2016. And so I'm very careful in choosing the products. So when I found out that it's vegan, plant-based, and then clean ingredients, so okay, this is for me. I love wine so much. So after drinking wine at night, when I wake up the next day, the struggle is real because my skin, I look so like, oh my God, what's going on? I look so haggard and look so I don't appreciate it. But now when I started putting this product on my face, when I wake up in the morning, oh my God, there is no hangover at all.
Thank you so much,
And
Mary.
that is the funny that I really love. Okay, so I can continue drinking wine, putting Riemann on my face, and I still be glowing the next day.
Thank you, Mary. Thank you so much for that testimonial. And truly amazed, when you first used the products, you made a decision to actually fly over to our convention with Arnold, literally 1 week before the convention as well. And you just saw the powerful, obviously of your skin changing within such a short period of time. So thank you so much for that testimonial, and we look forward to seeing you, of course, in Cebu as well.